Hey fam, thanks for tuning back in. This past week, I've just been having a ball reading some of the comments from you guys and seeing that you saved lots of money at the gas pump. As you can see, that app is pretty good, and I'm very glad I can be very resourceful to you. So if you haven't seen that video, take a minute to check it out. I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy it. I also would like for you guys to know about another app that will save you lots of money and put money back into your pocket. The name of the app is called Dosh, D-O-S-H. That's right, Dosh, not dash, Dosh. Dosh is available right now on iOS, and like I always say, it's going to be available soon for Android. So stick around if you got a Samsung device. It's going to come your way. When you purchase an item with Dosh, you get cash back. Cash back that goes back to a PayPal account, or if you want it, it can go to a Cash App account. But I like for it to go back to my PayPal because PayPal is very secure. You also get a free $1 when you link a bank account to it. And I want you guys to know something. This app is secure. It's 256 secure bytes for it, so it's nothing to be worried about. You can secure your app, your information to it. But if you don't want to secure, a bank account to it, you can get a prepaid Visa debit card and secure that to it as well. When you refer friends to Dosh, you actually get money back as well. So there's times when you can get $10 back, and there's even some times where you get $20 back when you refer friends. So when you go to the store, you can go to Forever 21, for example, which is a store that's supported by Dosh. Forever 21 will give you 5% back on that purchase. And if you send that message to your friend, hey, I got 5% back on my purchase, you will get $10, and so will your friend. When that offer for $10 comes back to the customer and to you. So download Dosh right now on your phone. Check it out. Click the link in the bio, because when you click the link in the bio, obviously I'm referring you, but you get a bonus on your first purchase. So it doesn't just benefit me, it benefits you. So take a minute, download Dosh. I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy it. One more thing I want to let you guys know about Dosh. Dosh is also great for when you're traveling because Dosh books hotels. So if you click on a hotel you would like to book at, you will see a dollar value on how much you can get back when you are traveling. And that dollar value doesn't start with a minimal dollar amount like $5. I've seen some opportunities where you've gotten exactly $100 or more back on a trip that you have saved or traveled to. So make sure you use Dosh to book that next vacation. It's pretty good, and make sure you use it when you're shopping. Dosh, download it now, click on the link in the bio so that you can get the first bonus on your purchase.